Welcome to Drew Tech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open receiving accounts in Payoneer. So receiving accounts in Payoneer usually correspond to the currency that you will be receiving. If you get paid in US dollars, you open a US dollar account. If you paid in euros, you open a euro account. And if you get paid in pounds, you open a GBP account. Currently, I have a US dollar account. So for this example, I'm going to be showing you how to open in a euro account. So on your main page, you could press this button showing the euro account, or you could go to get paid and press receiving accounts. So if you want to open an EU account or any receiving account for that matter, you could just press add account on the upper right. And it's going to ask you if you want receiving accounts in the currencies you don't have yet or the currencies that you already have. The currencies that you already have, like I said, it's shown from before. I have a US dollar account, so it's going to show up as a US dollar account. In the currencies that you don't have yet, it's almost anything under the sun. So let's say I want to receive payment or a euro account, and I want to receive the bank transfers in euro. And let's say my employer is living in Germany. You could choose more than one country or region. And let's say sometimes he goes to Denmark, sometimes he goes to Spain. Let's say they travel. You could add more receiving accounts for request. Let's say you want to add bank transfers from the Philippines. So you can press next. So you can receive euro transfers within the Eurozone. And you could also receive euro transfers from outside the Eurozone from supported marketplace only. When you open the supported marketplace, it'll show you the guidelines of your receiving account. It'll show you how much fee you're going to be paying, how many business days um, you will be expecting your money to go through. And for any international guidelines, you'll also see if there's any changes on the fee or any difference on the transfer days. Supported marketplaces on where you can receive euro transfers from outside the Eurozone are these websites. So you could just go through them. Let's say you're getting euro transfers from Etsy. So it will show up on Payoneer. So once you submit that request, you will be asked to provide some information. It will be asking you for your business details. It's just a general overview on why you're asking to open a receiving account in the EU. So let's say you want to receive payments to accept credit or debit card payments or to receive payments from customers. Let's say marketing, and then just fill out these information and then just click submit once you're done. Currently, I don't need to open an EU account, but then they're also going to verify your address and visual identity verification. Visual identity verification can be done on the phone if you have the Payoneer app open. It's just going to ask for a selfie to verify your appearance with the ID that you've already uploaded on Payoneer. So yeah, that's it.